Discovering an old hammer you lost a decade ago would be surprising, but Argentine farmer Juan de Dios Sota stumbled upon something far more extraordinary. While guiding his cattle to pasture during a drought, Juan noticed a large lump protruding from the dry river of the Valle Mona. Upon closer inspection, he realized it was a rock with a distinct organic pattern, resembling a shell. Juan's discovery attracted local archaeologists, who unearthed a second object similar to the first. This prompted further excavation, leading to the emergence of 4 large shell-like objects. Initially thought to belong to tortoises, researchers soon identified them as the shells of glyptodonts, prehistoric creatures that roamed South America around 30 million years ago. Glyptodonts were massive armored mammals, about 5 feet tall, 11 feet long, and weighing over 2 tons on average. These creatures possessed thick, bony shells, armored heads, and tails that could serve as weapons. Despite their formidable defenses, they faced predation from larger animals and were hunted by early humans for shelter. By the Holocene epoch, roughly 10,000 years ago, glyptodonts had gone extinct. What made Juan's discovery remarkable was the presence of 4 glyptodonts found together in one location. Archaeologists speculated that this group could have consisted of a family unit, with adults leading their young. The varying sizes of the fossilized shells suggested that gender might have played a role in determining their growth. Excavation efforts led by paleontologist Riccardo Bonini are ongoing, with plans to transport the glyptodont remains to the Institute of Archaeological and Paleontological Investigations of the Pampa Quaternary in Capitan Sarmiento. There, further examination and DNA testing will provide insights into their sex, age, and cause of death. Juan de Dios Sota's accidental discovery promises to shed more light on the enigmatic glyptodonts and their ancient lives. He understood that his discovery, in conjunction with another significant find nearby, would contribute to a broader understanding of the past. Shortly after Juan's discovery, a report was published in the scientific journal Nature, Ecology, and Evolution. In this account, researchers from the University of Nas, Alda San Juan University, the University of Na, Rio Negro, and the Museo Paleontologico Edo Fuglio summarized their remarkable discovery. Evidently, a team of experts was excavating at the geological site in Baudelaise, an area of geological interest located approximately 680 miles west of Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina. There, they unearthed remains that challenged our existing knowledge of dinosaur evolution. Excavators uncovered both vertebrae and leg bones from an as-yet undiscovered dinosaur. These remains were believed to belong to a young individual that had not reached its full adult size, although it was estimated to be as long as 23 feet. Astonishingly, this dinosaur could have grown to a colossal size of up to 33 feet and weighed an astounding 10 tons. It is worth noting that this discovery represents the earliest known instance of a dinosaur displaying gigantism. Before this discovery, experts generally accepted that giant dinosaurs first appeared during the early Jurassic period, which occurred between 174 and 201 million years ago. During this time, a mass extinction event wiped out approximately 50% of Earth's life forms, and in the post-extinction world, some dinosaurs evolved to attain enormous proportions. Notable examples from the Jurassic period include the long-necked sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, as well as giants like Argentinosaurus, Patagodon, and Dreadnoughtus. However, this newly discovered dinosaur belongs to a group called Saurischia, which means lizard-hipped, and it lived during the Triassic period, approximately 30 million years before the appearance of Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. Researchers have named this new dinosaur Inenta Prima, which translates to first giant in Latin. The unique nature of this discovery became apparent as soon as it was found. Cecilia Abbott from the University of Nonel, the San Juan explained, "We found a shape, the first giant one among the dinosaurs. That's the surprise. What's particularly intriguing is that Inetaprima achieved its enormous size through a growth process distinct from that of later sauropods. This suggests that the evolution of gigantism in dinosaurs was not a singular event but occurred independently in multiple lineages. Furthermore, Inetaprima shared some characteristics with its later relatives, such as Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus, including its herbivorous diet. Dr. Steve Brute from the University of Edinburgh, who conducted an analysis of Inetaprima in a July 2018 article by the BBC, emphasized the remarkable nature of these ancient creatures. Though it traversed on all fours, Inetaprima is thought to have possessed a relatively smaller neck and tail compared to its more famous counterparts. Interestingly, its approach to attaining its massive dimensions seems distinct from the growth patterns observed in later dinosaurs. Researchers have delved into the growth rings in the creature's bones and concluded that Inetaprima underwent concentrated growth spurts over time, a departure from the continuous growth observed in other dinosaur species. Additionally, Inetaprima's respiratory system bore similarities to that of contemporary birds, featuring specialized air sacs within its body. This adaptation allowed the dinosaur to manage its temperature and access ample breathable air. Over time, Inetaprima grew to at least twice the size of other herbivorous creatures in its savanna-like habitat, rendering it impervious to threats from other dinosaurs. It is believed that a Triassic relative of the modern crocodile served as its primary predator. This gigantism served as an evolutionary survival strategy, especially for herbivorous animals, as size served as a defense against predators. Nevertheless, Inetaprima's growth strategy may not have been notably successful, as it did not reappear in the later history of dinosaurs. During the excavation that unearthed Inetaprima, archaeologists discovered 4 skeletons in total, including one representing the new dinosaur and 3 fossils from a similar species. These fossils collectively acquired the nickname lissosaurs. This discovery provides insights into how certain dinosaurs achieved colossal sizes, with Inetaprima marking the inception of gigantism, paving the way for massive dinosaurs weighing up to 70 tons, such as those discovered in Patagonia millions of years later. While Inetaprima stands as the earliest giant discovered, the possibility remains that even older massive dinosaurs may surface in the future. With the groundbreaking discovery by the Argentinian team reshaping our understanding of dinosaurs, there are undoubtedly more intriguing revelations on the horizon. We appreciate your support and encourage you to like and subscribe for further updates.